Okay, my dear students, today I would like to solve this problem in which one smaller block is there, one larger block is there. Both are in contact with each other. But if you observe one thing here, that smaller block is pushed from this side with a force of 15 newtons, whereas larger block there is no force. So F1 can be considered as 15 newtons. From the other side there is no F2, so it can be considered as a 0. So what is the shortcut formula? See, actually many students are saying, sir, how many formulas we have to remember? What is this nonsense? How many formulas are there? And that too, is it so difficult to remember, my dear? This side force, okay, this side force, that side mass, plus this side force, that side mass, divided by total mass. Nothing is there here. Simple logic is there to remember, okay. So is there any difficult to remember? You need not by heart. There is a logic. If you understand that logic, then only it will be magic. Otherwise, the life will become very tragic. Okay. So this is a contact force, my dear. So contact force you have to find out. See, I have drawn the contact force here. That is between a small block and larger block. There is a contact force. You have to find out that contact force. Okay. How much is the contact force between A and B? Okay. For that, there is a shortcut formula which have been written here. So contact force F is equal to F1 M2. F1 M2 and F2 M1. F2 is anyhow 0. Okay. So let us see here what is the contact force. F is equal to contact force F1 means 15 into other side mass which is taken as 2m plus F2 means 0 and this side mass that is taken as m whole divided by m1 plus m2, that is nothing but 2m plus m. So Fc is equal to 30m by 3m. mm gets cancelled. Your answer is going to be 10 newtons. That's it. Very simple formula is there. There is no need to feel any tension to remember. How many formulas you have to remember? Is there anything to remember here? This side force, that side mass, plus the side force, this side mass divided by total mass. That's it. A simple logic is there. Nothing is there to by heart here. So, my dear students, this is a channel not to waste your time, to increase your speed to 10x times. This is a channel which will increase your speed to 10x times, not to waste your time. Hope you will try to understand my emotions. Thank you very much.